Whitehouse Machine Tools have proudly joined the Push Stop campaign, and in this particular promotion we're looking at the UQ400 wheelie machine. Now this is a 4+1 fifth axis machine tool with many nice features such as 12K spindle, BBT, you've got spindle probing which will come with the machine. Also it will come with a conveyor as standard. Now you've got a great opportunity here to pick up a fantastic deal from Whitehouse Machine Tools, and all of this for under £100,000. Get in touch with Whitehouse Machine Tools to find out more.